This tutorial will explain how you can find free PSVR video games to download on your PS4. If you haven't done so already, open the PlayStation Store on your console. You should then select the All Games option on the left menu. From the All Games menu, select Add Filter. Afterwards, select VR and then PSVR. Next, you need to select Sort and then Price Low to High. You should now be able to see a list of free PSVR video games located at the top of the listing. If this video helped you out, then you can show your support for this channel by clicking on the like button.